Hello, I'm Police Car AUTTP, and today I'm going to describe myself. I am the most wanted criminal on the outside. I like to cause trouble and cyberbully people every day. I also false flag good users' videos for no good fucking damn reason. I also like to eat my own shit for dinner, lunch, breakfast, and snack time, and drink my own piss when I'm thirsty. I also like to wear diapers as my underwear and go to my job naked. I am also on crack too. I also like to smoke weed every day. I love snorting cocaine too. I like to go on failure adventures, arresting good guys. I also like to drive speed limits and go street racing. But my favorite part about my life is that I'm in the UTTP. The UTTP is so fun and awesome. That's all I